it's Leonard, and today I am here at Brass Hall to show you guys how to make several cocktails. I currently work at the Tipsy Alchemist on Rainey Street in Oz. And at the Tipsy Alchemist, we love coming up with new, creative cocktails, and catering to our guests' personal experience is the most important, and that includes coming up with cocktails on the fly. So today Eric is going to give me a random liquor selection, and we're going to come up with something fun and crazy today.
This guy.
Okay.
Coconut cream liqueur.
We have Dorda coconut liqueur.
And we'll mix that. With the chocolate liqueur.
Okay.
I think I'm setting you up for success.
All right, this could be promising. Okay. We have a chocolate liqueur and a coconut liqueur. And I don't know about anyone else, but I am a sucker for coconut milk in my coffee, so I'm thinking some sort of espresso martini with a little bit of a coconut twist. So I also have some espresso here. All right, so let's start with our base. We are gonna do 2 whole ounces of espresso. And I think, let's give this a cute little, oh yeah, that smells wonderful. Very, very rich, so you're not gonna need too much. So I'm thinking ½ an ounce. And a standard martini is typically 3 ounces of liquor, but if it's a straight vodka or gin martini, it's 3 whole ounces of gin or vodka. But we might give it a little bit extra today. And then we're gonna do 1 whole ounce of the coconut liqueur because this was the first liqueur picked, and I want to make sure that we can really taste all of that coconut. And ice. Good shake. And again, you're going to want to shake it to make sure that the shaker tin is Alrighty. And here we have a Toasted Coconut Martini.